What's cooking, Conroe High? I'm Marco, and welcome back to another Cooking with Culinary episode, KTIG Special Cooking Show. Today we welcome back our guest chefs, Aureli and Guillermo, to show us another awesome recipe on how to make Poblano Pasta. So stay tuned to see how they do it on this episode of Cooking with Culinary. So today, Aureli and Guillermo are going to demonstrate the steps to make this dish. Would you start by explaining to us what Poblano Pasta is?
Of course, Marco. So Poblano Pasta it's like it's kind of like a chicken base. It tastes like chicken because you put mainly a lot of chicken bouillon in it, but it's basically a green pasta. It's really good. It comes traditionally from Hispanic culture because we enjoy it so much.
Alright, well, let's get into it. What do we do first?
Alright, so what we're gonna want to do is prep the water.
Okay.
What we're gonna want to do is have it on a medium heat and add salt.
Okay.
Add a generous amount of salt. Like, don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Like put the whole thing, actually.
I will put the whole thing.
Put more. Put more.
Okay.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough, Marco.
Alright?
Sorry.
Alright, so second thing we're gonna do is the most important part. We gotta take off the stems off these seeds. Wait, off these seeds. We gotta take the stems off the peppers and remove the seeds. Or I feel like you're gonna cut yourself.
Why would I cut myself?
Because I don't trust you, Marco. You're a little baby boy.
I got it.
Alright? And then you take out the seeds. Okay, so after they're done taking out the seeds, removing the seeds out these peppers, I'm gonna grab them with these tongs and put them above an open flame. This is gonna char them and it's gonna like make them super black. And after they're all like cooked up, we're gonna put them in a bag to sweat.
Sweat?
Yes, I'll show you.
Oh, it's a lot of seeds.
All right, so we're gonna grab this stove, turn it on.
Make them sweat.
Basically, we're gonna grab the peppers on top of the flame. All right, so they take a bit to cook up. You gotta be patient.
You know, for like how long? Like usually?
This should be like a couple 5 minutes. Not that. All right.
Eat it.
Ooh, we
So-
want it to be like this all around.
I think that's good enough.
Actually, you know what?
Okay, you know what, Aureli, I'm trying my best.
So as I'm cooking these peppers, I'm gonna ask for my friends here to cut the rest of the stuff. Cut it from right there, and that piece and this piece should be good.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put the peppers in the bag. Do you guys know the easier way to take them out?
How?
Like
I
this.
feel like you should like you smack them.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
Something like that.
So, like-
yeah, you
Use
smack
like
them.
that. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Light and juicy.
Do you ever just sing to your shampoo bottles in the shower and pretend to impress the whole school with your musical talent? I don't. I can't sing. But some of you can. That's why I'm here to tell you about The Roar, where actually talented folk come together to sing and make their shower fantasies a reality. First auditions will premiere on September 25th, and the first eliminations will be on September 28th, where you will find out who will stay and who will go. Then on November 15th will be the finale, which will be live in the auditorium, so make sure to keep up with The Roar on KTIG.
You smell that?
They are really juicy.
Hey man, it's gonna be good, bro. It's gonna be good. So I'm done cooking the peppers.
Okay. So what do we do now?
I am adding the noodles.
The noodles?
Yes, we're on the noodle. Grab a batch, like a good amount of cilantro.
All right, so
The
just
whole
like,
thing.
this is good.
That's a good amount, yeah. So put, yeah. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna grab the peppers, we're gonna take them out the bag, we're gonna get this paring knife, and we're gonna skin them. So what charring them and putting them in the bag, it helps remove the skin. Like you could just start swiping down with the knife and all that.
So it's like easy to get off.
Yeah,
So
it's
that's why you
easier.
split them.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
easier to get off. As Marco is shaving away that skin from those peppers, we're gonna start prepping the blender for the sauce.
Right there. I'll just leave it there.
We're gonna grab the onions in, then the garlic cloves. Throw those in. For the peppers, we're gonna break them apart, only because we don't want them going in whole in the blender. All right. We're gonna take our batch of cilantro. This should be a good amount. So we're gonna add some of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients to our blender.
So what are we adding right now?
Block of cream cheese. We don't necessarily need the whole block, more like half of it.
So if you add more, like, would it make it more like what, creamier?
It's gonna make it more creamier.
Okay. We
But-
should add the whole thing.
Should I?
Why not?
You like cream?
You like cream?
I love cream.
I don't see why not.
Yeah,
I wish
the
you
whole
know that. Yeah, you're gonna just cram the whole thing in there. All right.
Looks good.
Open it up, boy. Half a cup.
Looks like half a cup.
Yeah.
There we go.
Here you go.
There we go.
Pouring in that. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Good portion. All right. You're gonna put it, no, not like that.
Okay.
And then lock. All right. Power.
And then 1, 2, or 3.
1. Make sure to hold it. All right.
All right. Well, this is looking delicious so far. Make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break.
Bro, I'm so done with this class. I'm just gonna close my eyes and sleep, man.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! You're a senior, right? Yeah. We'll start acting like it. You have one more year. Keep
Can
going.
you leave me alone? Like, I've done this for 4 straight years and no one cares. This is my last year.
Keep going, I said. Keep going.
You know what? You're right. Let me see this.
Finally made it, mama.
See? I told you it'd be worth it. Now look at you.
Bro, thank you so much, Senior Fairy. I don't know what I'd do without you, bro. This is a mirror.
What in the world?
He's been doing this all year.
Poor guy.
I know, right? Get a grip, man. Welcome back. We're going to finish this up so we can plate and taste. All right, so let's do this.
All right. So we're gonna turn this flame on again.
Onto what heat?
All right, we're gonna put it on a high to medium heat, basically in the middle. Oh, and pour.
That looks yummy.
So for this, grab the spatula.
And then what?
With the hand, do not let it go because it's missing a piece right there. So just stir. And you're just gonna keep stirring until you start seeing bubbles, and that's when we're gonna want to start adding the noodles. Let me see. Look at the sides.
You never knew how to do that? Get the sides.
We're just gonna let it boil for, well, not boil, but cook for a bit. Gotta see those bubbles. The sauce is pretty much done cooking. We're gonna add the noodles.
Okay, you got that, Marco.
So that I just like pour it on there?
You're just gonna gently pour.
That was not gently, but
All right, where are the tongs? And we're gonna mix.
ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Is it good?
Ooh.
Oh, it does.
All right.
All right, we're ready for plating?
We're gonna add the cheese, and then we'll be ready.
Okay.
And then we just mix it.
Yes,
To
sir.
make it look super cute.
We're pretty much done now. We're gonna plate.
All right, let's do it.
All
Where
right.
fork's at?
All right. Sir.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? You got yours?
Oh. No, I don't got mine.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hey man, that's pretty good.
That was really good.
That's really good. Gotta get some more.
Let me get some more.
Gotta get some more before it's gone.
All right, that's really good. Well, that's our show for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks again to Aurelia and Guillermo for sharing their skills with us, and make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for more episodes coming soon.